Hey fashion lovers, welcome to the Fashion Try-On. If you want to support our channel, please be sure to like and subscribe. And if you like any of the items you see, be sure to check the description for links and discounts. Today we are checking out Milla. That is right, I caved and I picked up 3 of Millanova's most beautiful, luscious organza blouses. Now I would be super remiss if I did not comment on their packaging. This packaging was such a moment. I really did enjoy receiving and unboxing these. Now it comes in this lovely package, like pink folded over bag with a lovely orange dot, and orange is totally my jam. Then it came wrapped in tissue paper plus another beautiful orange ribbon, and it was very nicely tucked away. So I was very, very impressed by this packaging overall. It did feel like a total experience. Now, I have always seen the promotional photos and videos of Millanova items, especially as a recent bride. I got my fair share of their marketing. Now, if you are on that path or if you are a frequent wedding goer, you have probably gotten yours as well. So you're probably here for the right reason. We are gonna take a look at all 3 of these tops today and try them out. We're going to understand sizing, material, construction, the works. Now, first up, you're seeing the tags that are in here. These tags are ridiculous. Genuinely, they're ridiculous. I do appreciate that they have them because, you're not going to be able to wear this if you don't take the tag off. And that means that you're not going to be able to return it. So good on them. But this is not sustainable whatsoever. The whole experience is not sustainable. Let's just talk about that for a second. One thing is, I love this for, if I'm picking up something for my wedding, this is so presentable and the pieces are really well made. This top in specific, the construction of it is phenomenal. It's impeccable. The lining is just dreamy. But overall, this is not sustainable and we know that. So that was the first top that we saw. So that one is called the Milla Pink Organza Off-Shoulder Blouse with Meringue Flounces. Oh my goodness, how dreamy. Now, the next one that we're checking out is Milla Dreamy Off-Shoulder Blouse with Meringue Flounces. And we're looking at that in both white and in misty rose. The first one was in the pink colorway, but they're all really lovely, lovely pinks. So this one came wrapped up just in the perfect and most intelligent way that it could have been wrapped up, right? You have a really long piece of organza, which could very easily get wrinkled or ruffled. So if you do pick this up and you keep it, keep in mind, this is probably how you should store this item so it stays perfect, right? You can see that the bow is just without wrinkles. It has a few creases here and there, but it's pristine, it's crisp, and it looks expensive. Now, let's talk about the construction of this. I was super confused, right? You are supposed to tie it in the back, but because you're seeing this exposed corset in the back, I just was a little confused about how I'm supposed to cover that up, tie it myself, and make sure that it looks good. So we'll get into that when we go into our try-on, but just keep that in mind as we're starting to unbox. Now, last up, this is the white version, and I had to pick up the white and the pink because, white is not only for brides, and especially because this is a top, you could wear this for a birthday or, for a holiday, a little white black moment, and that's exactly how we're going to try it on. So this one too came wrapped really smart. I mean, it's the same item, so that is what I would expect. A little precursor. When I tried these on, they kind of felt like different sizes. So I picked up all 3 of these items in an extra small, and I felt like that was probably the right move because I did want it to feel snug and tight. I think this is an item that you don't want to be slouchy or droopy, especially, because they are strapless. And if you are looking at these for bridal moments, you want them to be fitted, right? We spend so much money trying to fit our clothes, our wedding dress, down to the millimeter of our bodies. So we definitely want to size down when we're, thinking about fit here. Now, this first top, I love the silhouette. I can't tell you how much I love the silhouette. I think it's so princessy, it's so darling, it's so perfect. The second one, you're gonna have to let me know which one you like better in the comments because I genuinely can't choose. Now, I did mention that it's really hard to tie this top, and you're seeing that in the back, right? You do see some of the corset exposed, but I found a loophole that if you do need to, get out the door and you don't have help, you could tie it around your body first and then tie it in the back. Now, keep in mind my bow does not look good here. So I would suggest, if you do have help, to ask for help. That being said, you can make it work. I would also kind of suggest using like a safety pin and maybe like just, you know, putting the organza right across the top. I personally don't know why they didn't do that for us. Like, to me, that comes off as like a design flaw, right? I don't want my clasps showing for it to look like my bra is exposed, right? Like, technically there is a fitted corset in here, so the whole corset back is just open. Now, I don't know if that bothers everyone. I know that some people like that effect. So let me know in the comments below what you think about these 3 tops and which one is your favorite, because I really need your help and I want to keep them all. Thank you. Please subscribe.